You are beginning your first week as a staff member at the Student Recreation Center. Listen to your coordinator and repeat what she says. Repeat only once. Fitness equipment must be wiped down after each use. Group fitness classes are listed on the schedule board. The pool deck must be kept clear of personal belongings. Towels are available at the front desk for a small fee. Members who wish to cancel their membership must submit a written request. The weight room and cardio area are located on the second floor. Emergency exits are marked with green signs and must never be blocked at any time.